least listen to these people cry. Something's gotta be done. It's time for a change, man. I ain't talking about Obama. I'm talking about on some real shit, some promises.
Think I give a damn about the likes on Facebook. I just spit from the heart to make you niggas double look. I only spit truth. Take a look out your window, see what the world's coming to. The government or the killers, but they make you guess who. Hiding evidence, why you still confused? I prayed for myself, now I only pray for you. Open up your eyes, we don't need no more proof. They try to play me in the heads, get juked. God has the mind to kill every politician in sight. I even fucking tried. They gave me hatred and I used it against them. Fuck your religion, the booth is my sanctum. Since 312 AD they said listen to me, not the true king. I want you not to see the truth behind the lies. Now you all must die. Motherfucker, I won't hide. I invite you to fight. Fuck America, and I say that with pride. You can't get inside of the warrior's mind, so I put it in layman's terms so I know I'm understood. The whole world fell while one man stood, saying the sun won't fall, this hell won't be long. Just be strong, it'll be worth the call. Is that what got me breathing to this motherfucking day? Is it a past life of nothing but pain?